For number 24, I'm going to use symbols to write this out to see what it looks like. It says, if a figure is a square, then the figure has 4 congruent sides. I'm going to use F for 4 congruent sides. So if a figure is a square, then it has 4 congruent sides. The next statement says, if a figure is a square, then it has 4 right angles. Let's see, this time we'll use R for right angles. And since they both say 4, I'm going to get rid of the F and I'll use C for congruent. So my two statements say if a figure is a square, then the figure has 4 congruent sides. If the figure is a square, then the figure has 4 right angles. So I actually can't use the law of syllogism here, because in order to use the law of syllogism, I have to have a conclusion from the first statement and a hypothesis from the second statement that match. In algebra, we would call that the transitive property. If A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. You can skip that middle part. So because these don't match, what I know is that if a figure is a square, then it has both of these other characteristics. It has 4 congruent sides and it has 4 right angles. But that's not the law of syllogism. The law of syllogism would try to shortcut something and combine the rest, like we did in number 23. So there is no valid way of rewriting this to another statement. In other words, there's nothing else to do here. So law of syllogism cannot be used on number 24.